what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com. We have Lee Cox with us today. He's been with the company almost 20 years, one of our long-time tenured employees. I think you started in the warehouse, right?
Yep.
Worked your way all the way up to product marketing manager, whatever we got a lot of different titles around here. I know the first video we did on his car that you probably already have watched at the time of this video was the suspension stuff that he did. I made a remark that, man, Lee doesn't really want to be on camera. Try to get Lee on camera. He's just one of those guys that just doesn't want to be on camera. So appreciate you letting loose, getting out of your shell, and joining us for Dyno Days. So tell us a little bit about your car, Lee.
22 Mustang GT, 401A PP1 package. Spent a lot of time working Auto Trader, all the normal websites to find this one. Ended up finding it after a few weeks outside of Chicago. Had it transported down here. Recaros, Magneride, active exhaust. Almost every option you can get on this one, short of a PP2 car. So really excited to get hands on it and get it on the track.
This exact spec was what you were after, right?
Right.
Yeah, and you've driven other S550s on track over all these years.
Yep.
You were looking at getting back into a kind of a track day car for some HPDE stuff.
Right.
Wanted to land on this. It's just they're very capable out of the box. And that's why we've already done the springs, the sway bars, his calibration for the Magneride. Got a few other little doodads to do. We just changed the oil.
Yep.
What else you got to do to it kind of in preparation for your first track event with the car?
Fluid changes, transmission, brake fluid, new pads. Differential fluid should be okay for the time being, but just do the normal checks before you hit the track.
Gotcha. Probably gonna do wheels as well.
Yep.
Before you go to the track. What are you thinking on?
Silver DHP1 Forged. We'll probably pop against this rapid red paint and look pretty good on the car.
Shoot, yeah. Well, quick rundown for the dyno technical data. It's pretty much a stock car. Gen 3 engine. Lee has already done the carbon trap delete. We're not going to get into comparison by any of that means. We have videos on all that already. MT82 car, 4th gear pull, which is 1-to-1. Stock drive shaft, 373 gear out back. That's the factory performance pack wheel, 19 inches in diameter with a 305/35/19 tire. Stock tune or calibration. And then we've got 93 octane fuel in the tank. So Lee will make a quick run around your car, make sure it's all good to go, and we'll make a couple hits.
Let's do it.
So run one here for Lee's 2022 Mustang, 400.1 horsepower at 7,000 RPM, and then 365.1 pound-feet of torque at 4,700 RPM. Kind of thinking that was a little low. We compared it to a few other runs. It was a touch low, but variances in cars, variances in dynos, variances in days. The list could go on as far as our variables are concerned. But like we always do, we typically like to do 2 pulls. So we went ahead and did that second pull. Okay, so run 2, 399.9 horsepower at 7,000 RPM, a little bit jump in torque, 375.9 pound-feet at 4,700. Your numbers were a little bit higher, right, Lee? Just comparing to some of the other Gen 3 manual cars we've dynoed?
Yeah, some of the earlier Gen 3 dynos were 415, 420, somewhere in that range, so that's where I was expecting to be, but these 22, 23 year models did have a lower rating from the factory. Even with the carbon trap removed, this is probably about to be expected.
Yeah, and kind of touching base to what we talked about there at the first part of the video, the factory 19-inch performance pack wheels, I think weigh about 32, 33 pounds, give or take. Some of those other cars we dynoed had aftermarket wheels that were probably substantially lighter. So anything rotational, especially at the rear of the car, that's your drive axle, you will see an uptick in power because we're freeing up that power for lighter weight wheel. But Lee doesn't get too concerned with horsepower and torque numbers. He's going to do what he needs to do. He's going to get it out to the track, have some fun with it. It's great to see him back in a car. How many cars you've owned now?
Oof, probably 4 or 5 Fox bodies, 2 S197s, and then this car.
Yeah.
Lightning truck as well in there. So
yeah, the Lightning truck, man. Shoot, yeah. Well, Lee, anything else you want to say before we sign off?
No, thanks for having me. Thanks for throwing her on the dyno, and
heck yeah,
excited to get her on the track.
Right on. Well, thanks for joining us for Dyno Day. We'll cut y'all loose. If y'all find value in what we're doing, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and then until we see you in the next one, for all things S550, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts. lmr.com.